up, guys? It is that time, but it's not a mail call. This is actually what I picked up today. Hunting out in the wild at a place I would have never expected. So daughter and I went to Once Upon a Child. It's like a used or hand-me-down store. We were only there looking for a trailer to hook up to my mountain bike. That way I can haul her around. We can ride around when it's nice out. But anyways, we walked in there. It's a bunch of clothes, you know, donated and all that good stuff. As we walked through, my daughter's eyes are like mine, and she caught some bags hanging on some pegs, and we'll get to that in a second. But I did go ahead and grab out of the import heat from Johnny Lightning the 63 MGB. Check this beauty out. Now, I had never seen this until I watched Brandon over at Live or DIECAST. Definitely check out that video. He has a really cool story with this casting and a particular person involved with it. Super cool, but check this out. I definitely wanted to get my hands on it. It's a beautiful classic, but look at that nice red enamel, which they call it bright racing red. Got the 6-spoke torque thrust style wheels on there. Love the 21 meatball. You do have some sponsors on there, and the name right there, Jeremy Morin, that is who you need to pay attention to when you go watch Live or DIECAST's video about this car. So it is 1 out of 12,288, so a high production car. But here you go, you got some quick facts. The MGB is a two-door sports car manufactured and marketed from 1962 until 1980 by the British Motor Corporation. This excellently detailed casting has not been released for 21 years. So that is probably why they have the 21 on there, but it is a beautiful car. Love the top-down opening hood. The details of this car is just beautiful. So grabbed this one for sure. Next one I got was out of F case. Look at this, the new for 2022 Nissan Z Proto. Man, I've been dying to get my hands on this. This is out of F case for 2022. You do have the gold PR5s, the yellow enamel, and the black top. Definitely a nice release, of course, from the factory fresh. It's going to have the full details, headlights and tail lights, which are done nicely. In person, not a big fan of it, but as a casting goes, definitely do dig this one. So a really good car to throw into my Nissan collection, which I do have over here. Pretty much everything after the Acuras and Hondas are Nissans all the way up until at least right here. And then you go into Mitsubishis. But the whole point of this video was to share Once Upon a Child, guys. Check these out. These were like $350. They had hundreds of bags full of just cars, random, not even just Hot Wheels. It's a mixture of everything. I grabbed this one for the Filipino jeepney. Grabbed another one because of this car. So we're gonna go ahead and go through all of these. I don't know what is in each bag. I saw one casting out of all of them, 2 out of this one that I just absolutely had to grab. So I'm gonna be going back for more because, like I said, they had so many. So let's go ahead and open up this one. All right, so there you go. You got the price tag of $3.50. Check this out. First one out, you have the Jeff Gordon, and it's actually in really good shape. Look at that, old Monte Carlo. Number 24 DuPont car, legendary Jeff Gordon. Man, that is awesome looking. Oh, and it has the driver in there. Oh, dude. Look at that. He's holding the steering wheel. He's got the racing helmet on there. Oh, dude, that is nice. Oh, I love that detail, man. That is so cool. This alone is worth it. That is nice. This is the one I really wanted to look at. Here we go. Look at this. Oh my God, that thing's massive. There you go. Matchbox Mustang 1983. Out of Macau, but look at that, guys. Yeah, you got some fat meaty tires in the back. Of course, you do have the hatchback GT deco on there. It is totally used and abused, but it is still awesome, and it is a 4-eyed fox body. So this is probably the 82 to 86 time frame, depending on these tail lights. It's kind of, I want to say 82 maybe. So cool, man. Definitely dig that. Somebody really played with that thing, but definitely did not have that in the collection. This one right here, I actually do have this as the treasure hunt with Real Riders. It does have the 10 spokes in chrome interior. It is the Asphalt Assault. Look at that. And this is actually in really good condition as well. Got some black tribal flames running along the side. You have the see-through heat extractors with the chrome engine. Really cool casting. Got a Corvette convertible. There's this bad boy. Check this out. You got the Ultra Hots in chrome. Let's see what casting license this is. 83 Custom Corvette, 1988 casting license. Don't know which release it is, but I'll put it up on the screen. But it looked like it used to have some really bold red racing stripes with the Corvette in blue pinstriping all the way down. But check that out. Definitely needs some TLC. Next one up, it looks like an old Ford. There you go. Metro City Police with the number 3. This is a Matchbox casting, and it is, oh, it's a 33 Plymouth. There we go. Nice. Definitely a little old school police action going on. Looks like we have a compactor or a steamroller, whatever these are called. Don't even know what this is out of. It's just a generic cast, but still really sweet. This is actually a really good addition to maybe here, you know? Look at that. Have it kind of staged off to the side. Hey! And then we got a tractor. Oh man, this thing is completely worn and used, but it actually has working axles. Look at that. It's a Macy Ferguson. Who made this? I don't know who makes it, but it's a really good casting. Whoever collects tractors. Look at that. Really good detail on it. Yeah, this thing is super heavy. Huh. That's actually kind of cool, not gonna lie. Now this one is pretty packed. I see a Ferrari in there. This one was $550. I know some of y'all are probably thinking, you know, that's a little steep for some prices, but I see these as mystery bags because you just never know what you're going to get inside it unless you really look at them. I feel like it's worth it, especially for a few of these castings like that Jeff Gordon and the Fox body. Definitely worth it to me. So it looks like we have a Ferrari of some sort. It's just got the number 5 racer. It's a generic version of a Ferrari. It looks like they couldn't really use the actual Ferrari body, so it's slightly modified a little bit. All right, so it's not really a Ferrari, but it is highly inspired by the Testarossa or even a 348. Nice. Here we go. We have another Matchbox. It's the bus. What's your Matchbox adventure? Look at that. It's like a Metro City bus. That's kind of cool. All right, so there's that. I don't know what this is. It looks like some type of ramp truck. Oh, check that out. That's actually kind of cool. Really nice blue metallic flake in there. Pinstriping flames. Look at that 6-wheel beast. It's the Cabin Fever. It's kind of cool, not gonna lie. And look at that. It's a little transparent ramp to kind of go into the smoked glass. That's kind of cool. Next up, this is what I seen in the package. Check this out, guys. The S15. Look at that. It looks like someone tried to cut the wing off. It's okay, you're in a better home now. But look at that nice charcoal metallic gold interior. You do have some sort of flame deco of some sort running along the side. There you go, nice gold intercooler. But yep, S15, baby. Nice. That is a nice one. I do have a few S15s courtesy of Rich. I have a short card S15 right here with the 10 spokes in chrome, and then the FTE S15, and then of course you have the S13s and all that good stuff. So that is an awesome addition right there, man. In a better place now. Someone was trying to cut your wing off. Next up, another Matchbox. Looks like a Beetle or Baja Beetle of some sort. Nice lime green enamel with the Scorpion 38. Little mud deco and tampo work. It's actually a pretty beefy cast. So this is the Volkswagen Beetle 4x4. I do have the pink one of these. All right, ooh, check this out. It looks like a little cool combi, or just the Volkswagen T1 panel. Look at that. This is a Maisto, the VW camper. Oh man, someone actually put some heat onto that and burnt and melted the whole glass. Man. Still a cool casting though. I mean, shows some character. It's been used and definitely abused for sure. Next up, it looks like some type of I don't know if this is like a gravel, don't know, but an industrial vehicle in white. Another Matchbox vehicle. It's the scraper. So yeah, I guess it comes around, picks up gravel, picks up dirt. It's kind of cool, but the way the body is shaped. Oh, I guess yeah, because it has to scrape through the ground. Nice. Here we go. This one is cool. I do have a couple variations of this one. This one is the Amazoom. This one is in blue. I believe I have the same deco in red. You got the plastic body, the emergency response unit deco, and it used to have red chrome 10 spokes, but now they're kind of just rubbed off and just black. So nice. Here we go, guys. This right here is the whole reason why I bought this bag. Check out this Ferrari, guys. Look at that. This is the Ferrari 575 GTC. It's got the Malaysia stamp and the gray interior Hot Wheels flame coming out the bottom. But look at that, man. This is the first 575 I have in the collection. Never seen this before. And then it was funny because a buddy of mine sent me some pictures of some Ferraris he found, and this one is one that he found carded. And I was like, what are the odds? I literally just found one loose. So picked up this bag just for this Ferrari. That is a super clean cast. Next two looks like kind of fantasy. This one is the, oh, I've seen this before. What is this? This is the Ultra Rage. Has a lot of Bugatti inspired lines. Yeah, this is probably a really cool car on the track. Got a metal base. Let's see, can it even do a jump? Nope. All right, definitely not worth track racing, so that's gonna just be set off to the side. And this looks like a fire truck. Oh, it's missing the ladder. I do like the steelies on this thing though. This one is Fast Lane brand. Those wheels are pretty sweet for generic wheels. So there's this. Maybe you can do a apocalyptic vehicle with that, I don't know. Last bag up was literally just for the jeepney right here. Let's go ahead and open this one. All right, here we go. Man, this thing is heavy. Look at this, man. That is so cool. You got the 1998. I wonder what this is a part of. Definitely got to check this out. But there you go, the jeepney from the Philippines. You guys already know how I feel about that, wife being Filipino. There we go. Just got to fix this. It's kind of smashed, but that is a super cool casting though. Very heavy. What else is in this bag? I didn't really pay much attention to what else is in here. Oh, we got a little Hummer. There we go, a little military Hummer. Digging the wheels on this thing. Oh, G.I. Joe. It's from Maisto, just the regular H1 Humvee. Look at that. That's actually kind of cool. Next one up is, oh, I've seen this before. This is the, don't know, but I've definitely seen this. Nice blue metallic. You got the C778 on the side, 3 spokes in chrome glass, no interior. Oh man, you guys gotta let me know what this is, but check out that color swing. It's purple and blue. I dig that. Nice. And what is this? This is insanely fantasy. This looks like a goblin type car. Oh, it's a McDonald's car. All right, Don't know what this is. Don't care for this one. This is probably the worst one out of all of them. All right, let's see. Ooh, here we go. Check this out. Talk about old school El Camino. Looked like something locked in there before. Oh, it's a Matchbox. Out of the super fast. It's the Holden pickup. Nice. The front end looked like the Chevelle El Camino. Oh yeah, but you can see it's definitely not. Oh, that is cool. Definitely old school, man. At least the hitch is still on there. Oh, there you go. Little old school Lesney Matchbox. And then what is this one right here? Check this out. A little truck. It's like a concept. The Honda Spocket. Oh, there we go. You got the Spocket tampos, the Hot Wheels flame. PR5's beautiful silver metallic though. Got the red plastic body and the smoked glass. That's actually a kind of cool concept. Very ahead of its time. This is probably like a 90s release. Let's see, what does this say? 2001. So yeah, this was probably when they were trying to work with the Honda Ridgeline. See how this does. All right, not too bad. Not too bad. Gets the jumps better than that other car. Last one right here. It looks like a little combat medic, a little generic version of one. Oh, it's just the paramedic. You do have opening doors though. Check that out. Big old bar. I don't know how you're gonna get anybody in and out of this thing, but there you go. Opening doors. This is a Maisto. So nice. Out of all of these guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the ones I absolutely love. This tractor's pretty cool. Metro bus is cool, but I'll keep that over here. And the Lesney Matchbox. So all of these I might just, oh, this actually pivots. Okay, I might like this a little bit more just for that feature. Check that out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set these off to the side because these are just, I don't know, I don't really fancy these too much. This one I'll keep though. So it looks like a good 50-50 mix. These are really the ones that I really wanted. So these were just kind of extras, kind of sacrificial castings. If anybody wants these, comment down below which one you want and I'll try to send it out to you. If not, I might use these wheels. I might wheel swap this one. I don't know, do some type of projects with this, barnyard find, you know, just whatever, because I really don't care for those. I just really wanted these. But I think that is an awesome find, guys, at a used baby store. So we walked away with some good stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing some of these come out of those bags. I think it's pretty awesome. But yeah, that is all we got. That is what we found. Of course, we got the Johnny Lightning 63 MGB and the Nissan Z Proto for 2022's F case. But yeah, that is all we got. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.